सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। विद्यानामनरस्य रूपमधिकं प्रच्छन्नगुप्तं धनं विद्याभोगकरी यशस्सुखकरी विद्या गुरूणां गुरुः विद्याबन्धुजनो विदेशगमने विद्यापरा देवता विद्याराजसुपूजिता न तु धनं विद्याविहीनः पशुः। नमस्कारः, स्वागतम्। मन्ये अद्यतनी कक्षा संख्या वर्तते दशोत्तर पंचशततमी 510th क्लास, यत्र वयम् अस्माभिः षट्त्रिंशः श्लोकः पठितः आसीत्। गतकक्षायां षट्त्रिंशस्य श्लोकस्य सम्बन्धी पदच्छेदः, पदपरिचयः, सम्बन्धिनी आकांक्षा इदानीं पठ्यमाना अस्ति। आकांक्षायाः मध्ये एव स्मः, न पूर्णतः पठितः आसीत् गतकक्षायां। So we are on 510th class today, where 36th poem of the Bhartrihari Subhashitas, first 50 Subhashitas, 36 been covered so far, and we are doing the 36th exercise as such. Srinivas, we can have to read, I think, on page 3254.
Yeah,
Kintuna Uchitaha. So here is a poem where the poet is criticizing Mainaka Parvata, leaving his father Himalaya and escaping the onslaught of Indra. Indra, when he started cutting the wings of the Parvatas, Mainaka Parvata hid himself in the ocean bed. So that is not proper, he says. Better it would have been, he says, for Mainaka Parvata to have his wings chopped off, and with the strokes of, with the cutting of that mighty Indra, which were, that cutting is described here as a thunderbolt of Indra, which was unbearable because of the engulfing flames coming out of that. But it is not proper, na uchitaha, it is not proper on the part of Mainaka to leave his father when he was in trouble. That is what he said, na uchitaha. So he finally says that he should not have gone into the ocean bed to hide himself when his father Himalaya was beside himself with pain, undergoing pain itself. So we have already referred to that story, mythological story, that Hiranyaksha, through his Maya, he had some power, so he gave the wings to the mountains, they say, and that is what the story is about. And Indra had to, all the mountains were flying once upon a time. We cannot imagine, mountains flying and creating a aerial traffic congestion in the sky. So, the mythological, the story and the names are also very specific in our stories. Hiranyaksha, a fellow whose eyes were always fixed on gold. He would only see gold. Hiranyakashipu is brother. Kashipu bed, they say. He was always fond of golden bed, comfort, standing. That is how they say. Anyway, we go here. Kintuna uchita, what is not proper? Kahana uchita, what is not proper? Asau sampata, this plunge into the ocean. Sampataha, sampataha nama plunge. Sampataha na uchitaha, patanam, avapatanam na uchitaha, not proper. Kada, kasya, Payasi, you have to read. Kasmin asau sampataha na uchitaha. In what this diving or fall is not proper. plunging.
असौ संपातः उचितः.
Payasi jale. Payasi nama jale. Asau. Sampa. Asau referring to this sampata, fall, plunge. Payasi asau sampataha na uchitaha. Into the water, the plunge into the water is not proper. Kasya payasi asau sampataha na uchitaha. Into the water, into whose water this plunge is not proper.
Payasam patyuhu. Payasi asau sampataha uchitaha.
Payasam patyuhu. Payasam jalanam patihi. Patyuhu. Jalanidhihi. Jalanidehe samudrasya iti. Payasam patyuhu. Payasam patihi samudraha. Sarvesham payasam tatra patihi samudraha eva. Patyuhu. Payasam patyuhu adhipasya payasi. The word is twice used, you may get a little. Payasam jalanam patyuhu prabhoho payasi jale. Understand? Jalanam prabhuhu samudraha. Tasya prabhoho payasi jale. Asau ayam sampataha ayam idam pathanam na uchitam na uchitaha iti. That is not proper. Kada payasam patyuhu payasi asau sampataha na uchita. When is it not proper? When the plunge into the waters of the Lord of the waters is not proper.
Klesha vivashe.
Klesha vivashe.
Klesha vivashe
Sati.
Payasam patyuhu payasi asau sampataha uchitaha.
Klesha vivashe sati payasam patyuhu payasi asau sampataha. This plunge is not proper when there is a trouble. When there is klesha vivashe sati payasam patyuhu payasi, when there is a trouble to the father understood, the sampata, the plunge is not proper when there is a problem with the plunge into the water of the ocean. That is what. Now next step develops that. Kasmin klesha vishe sati, klesha vivashe sati payasam patyuhu payasi asau sampatana uchitaha. Whose problem, in whose problem, when who is in trouble, the plunge into the ocean water is not proper.
Pitari klesha vivashe sati payasam patyuhu payasi asau sampataha.
Aha, alas, pitari klesha vivashe sati, when the father is in trouble, at a time when father, the Himalaya, is in trouble, payasam patyuhu payasi jale nipata sampataha na uchitaha. So the plunge of the son Mainaka, when the father is in trouble, was undergoing the pain of getting his wings also chopped off maybe. So that was not proper for him to leave his father. So the idea is moral. A son should not leave his father in trouble, Srinivas. That is the moral here. A son should not leave the father in trouble. When he is in trouble, you go and hide yourself, save your skin. That is not expected of the son. So that is what the poet finds fault with. So payasi asau sampataha na uchitaha. Anvayartam. Tushāradrehi
sunohu
udgacchad
vahala
dahanodgara gurubihi
samada maghavan mukta
kulisha praharaihi pakshachchedaha varam. Yeah, varam, stop there, one full stop. Tusharadrehi, tushara nama hima, himadrehi, himalayasya iti. Tushara hima, ya kundendu tushara hara dhavala. Tushara nama hima, snow. Tushara adrihi, tusharasya adrihi parvataha. Himalaya, himasya alaya, Himalaya. How do you get the Himalaya? Himasya alaya, Himalaya. तुषारस्य अद्रिः, the mountain of snow, snow mountain. तुषाराद्रेः हिमालयस्य सूनोः पुत्रस्य, of the son of the Himalayas. Udgachad vahala dahanodgara gurubihi, with the heavy flames coming out of the attack of Indra. Udgachad vahala, vahala means thick and dense. Vahala, bahala, bahula. These three words are same. Vahala, bahala, bahula. Vabayor abhedaha applies here. Whether the book reads here is vahala, it is also bahala. It is also bahula. Understand? Udgachad vahala bahala dahanodgara. Dahana udgara. Dahana agni udgara. The flames coming up. Gurubihi, very heavy. Heavy upcoming, floating of the fire. Heavy floating of the fire that was coming. Samada Maghavan Mukta Kulisha Praharihi, with the attacks of Kulisha Prahara, Vajra Praharihi. How was the Vajra Prahara? Done by the Samada Garvita Maghavan Indra Mukta Agni Mukta, sorry, not Mukta Kulisha Praharihi. Kulisham Nama Vajrayudham. Garvitena Indrena Mukta Kulisha Prahari, Muktaihi Kulisha Tatra Prahari, Vajra Prahari. The attack of the thunderbolt undertaken by the haughty, the proud Indra, which was giving out this kind of scene, giving out the flames, heavy flames. Pakshachedaha varam. It is better. It was better, you can say, because it is a past incident. It was better. Better it would have been. Would it have been? Otherwise, you can say, to Mainaka to have his wings chopped off by with the strokes of the thunderbolt. That is Kulisha Prahara. Thunderbolt hurled by Indra, the proud Indra. What is the word here used? Samada. Samada Magavan, Garvita Magavan, Indra. Strokes which were unbearable, Gurubihi, which was very unbearable, on account of the flames of fire. Udgachad Vahala Dahanodgara Gurubihi. So this is going with, this is all Visheshana, Srinivas, to the Samada Magavan Mukta Kulisha Praharaihi. This is the Visheshyapada. Pakshacheda Havaram. This chopping of the wings was better. Next. Kintu
Pitari Klesha Vivashe Sati Payasam Patyuh Payasi Asu Sampataha Na Uchitaha.
Ahaha, alas, expression of sorrow, concern, Pitari Klesha Vivashe Sati. When the father is in trouble. This Sati Saptami Prayoga, several times we come across. Pitari Klesha Vivashe Sati is understood. When the father is in trouble, Payasam Patyuhu Samudrasya Payasi Jale Asau Sampatana Uchitaha. This plunge, Mainakasya Ayam Asau Sampataha Payasi, Payasam Patyuhu Payasi, Samudrasya Jale Asau Ayam Sampataha Na Uchitaha. So he finds fault with this. This plunge on the part of the Mainaka, when the father is in trouble, Himalaya, is not proper. Padartham Pasha. Tusharadrihi. So Tushadra, like we are saying, Yadadri. Adri means mountain, Parvataha. Venkatadri, Seshadri, Adri. Himagiri, Sunoho, Putrasya. Udgachad Vahala Dahanodgara Gurubihi.
Urdhvam Praspuradbhihi
Vakhni Jwalabihi Gabhiraihi deep. Urdhvam Praspuradbhihi Praspuradbihi, emanating, floating. Vahnijwalabihi, any Vahnijwala will be upcoming like that. Gabiraihi, with deep. So unbearable due to the fires, blazing fires. Samadha Magavan Mukta Kulisha Praharaihi.
Sagarvena Indraena
Pramuktaihi Vajraghatai. Sagarvena Indrena Garvita Indrena Pramuktaihi Muktaihi Pramuktaihi Vajraghataihi Vajraghataihi. Pakshachedaha.
Garutam Kartanam.
Kartanam. Garut is a shabda here, which is pulling a shabda. Garut, Garutau, Garutaha. Marut, Marutau, Marutaha. Takaranta. So Garutaha, Garutoho, Garutam. Garutman. Garutmat. Garutman means a bird which has wings. Garut means wing, Paksha, that is. So Garutam Kartanam. Pakshanam Kartanam, the cutting of the wings. Varam.
Ishat Sreshtam.
Is good. Varam Sreshtam. Ishat. Kintu Ahaha Aha Kastam. Oh, it is very difficult. Pitari Himalaye Janake. Pitari Nam Atra Kova Pitaha. Atra Pitaha पितृशब्देन कः सूचितः अत्र हिमालयः न पितृशब्देन हिमालयः सूचितः सो पितरी नाम हिमालये जनके क्लेश विवशे सति दुःख अभिभूते सति when he is overtaken by trouble grief पयसां पत्युः पयसि असौ अयम् एषः संपातः न उचितः न योग्यः भावार्थं श्रीनिवास
विपन्नं स्वजनं त्यक्त्वा आत्मपरिरक्षणं न योग्यं यथा हिमालयस्य पुत्रः मैनाकः पर्वतपक्षच्छेदन प्रवृत्तम् इन्द्रम् अवलोक्य स्वपितरं रुदन्तं हिमगिरिं त्यक्त्वा समुद्रे पतितः.
ओके. विपन्नं विपदि आगतं विपदिस्थं आपदगतं विपन्नं नाम आपद्गतं like we have आपद्गतं न जहाति one shloka we I think we have not studied na Mitra Lakshanas we have not come across so far Bhartruharis. I told you no, did we? In this book
no.
Mitra Shan Mitra Lakshanamidam Pravadanti Santaha Papan Nivarayati Yojayati come already?
Yeah. In the previous
not in this book
classes.
Oh, somewhere I refer to that. Yeah. So Vipadgatam Apadgatam Vipannam Swajanam Tyaktva, leaving one's own person, one's own relative in trouble. Tyaktva Atma Parirakshanam na yogyam, protecting oneself is not proper. Niti Shastra doesn't approve this action on the part of the son to leave his father in trouble and save himself. Na yogyam yatha, just like the Himalayasya putraha Mainakaha, Mainaka, the son of the Himalaya, Parvatapaksha Cheda Pravuttam, Indram Avalokya, looking at Indra who was bent, who was on the mission of chopping off the wings of the Parvatas, who was on the mission of pruning the wings of the mountains. Avalokya, seeing that, Swapitaram, his own father, Rudantam Himagirim, who was crying, Himavan was crying there, leaving his crying father, Tyaktva Samudre Patitaha, he fell into the waters of the ocean to escape the attack.
Atmarakshanaaya tat tasya anuchitam
Karyam. Atmarakshanaaya Pitari kleshe klesham apanne sati Atmarakshanaaya etat karma karyam sunoha pakshena uchitam iti. तत् तस्य अनुचितं कार्यं. दिस इज नॉट प्रॉपर ऑन हिज पार्ट. पुंनाम नरकात् त्रायते इति पुत्रः, they said. Now what kind of son is he that he left his father in trouble and then hid himself in the ocean? So I think English is okay. Nidarshanam Sridu. Sandayah bhavah santi praharai udgachat.
Praharaihi udgachat.
Dahanodgara. Dahana gunasan. Tusharadrihi.
तुषार प्लस अद्रेहि सवर्ण दीर्घ.
तुषार प्लस अद्रेहि. सूनोरह.
सूनोह अहह
विसर्ग. चासौ.
च प्लस असौ सवर्ण दीर्घ.
पत्युरुचितः.
पत्युः प्लस उचितः विसर्ग.
सो अत्र बहुशः विसर्गसन्धयः एव सन्ति. विसर्ग 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 चत्वारि. चत्वारः विसर्गसन्धयः. सवर्णदीर्घसन्धिः द्विधा, 2 times. द्विः तत्र. समासः बहवः सन्ति समासः. तुषाराद्रिः.
तुषारस्य अद्रिः तुषाराद्रिः
षष्ठी तत्पुरुष.
तस्य तुषाराद्रिः. Oh.
What happened? Big one. Next. Next one. Udgacchad vahala dahanodgara gurubihi.
Vahalaschaso dahanascha.
So vahala you can say vahala also. Vahalaha cha asau vahalaschaso dahanascha. Purvapada karma dhare. No, there is a mistake here. Vahala dahana. It should be printing mistake. Dahalaha is come. See in the Purvardha you can check that. Vahalaschaso dahanascha. Vahala dahanas dahanaha, not laha. La mistake, okay. Karma dharaya. Vahala sya udgaraha. Udgaraha.
Udgacchantah ye vahala dahanodgaraha. Udgacchad vahala dahanodgaraha.
Udgacchantah upari agacchantah ye vahala dahanodgaraha. Udgacchad vahala dahanodgaraha. Visheshana. Again.
Udgacchad vahala dahanodgaraihi guravaha.
Udgacchad udgara guravaha. Tritiya tatpushtahi. So this is the beauty of Sanskrit language. To understand a compound word, ekam samastha padam avagantum etavati prakriya tatra vartate. So much exercise you have to do. Again coming up one more. Samada magavan mukta kulisha praharaihi.
Madena sahavartamanaha iti
samadaha. Samadaha cha asau.
Asau maghava cha.
Magavan shabdaha nakaranta maghava maghvano maghvanah itya visheshana purvapada karma.
Samada maghavan muktam yat kulisham samada maghavan mukta kulisham samada maghavan mukta kulishasya praharaha samada maghavan mukta kulisha praharaha shrishti tatpurusha taihi praharaihi.
So that is Pakshachedaha, simple.
Pakshanam chedaha
Shashti tatpurusha. Klesha vivashe.
Kleshena vivashaha. Klesha vivashaha. Tritiya tatpurusha. Tasmin klesha vivashaha.
Krudantaha pisanti. Bhavaha. Chedaha. Chid. Ach. Remains here. Mukta. Much. Tanta. Praharaha.
Parayati upasarga.
Anna.
Hrui dhatu. Ghai.
Sure. Now, udgachat. Uditi upasarga gam dhatu shatru. Udgara. Ut again. Guru iti dhatu. Gai. Dahanaha. Dhatu. Daha dhatu. Dahat. Lit. Dahana. Patiti dhatu. Gai. Vivashaha. It's not necessarily klesha. We wash ach only. We wash ach. Chandaha shikarni lakshanam ashtama slokasya vivarana samaye dattamasit. Idanim koshaha agachati punaha. Amara 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 amara. Sarvepi amara kosha. Stha. So we will see that. Then what is more? Achha, we have to do this and proceed. So what is read dahanaha? Hutabhug dahano havyavahanaha. Hiranyareta hutabhug dahano havyavahanaha. Hiranyaretaha. Sakaranta pullinga shabda. Dahanaha dahati iti dahanaha. First I will see one line. Daha bhasmikarane, to burn. So one who burns is a burner. I'm sorry. It came spontaneously. One who burns is a burner. Fire. But there is no verb with fire, na? Fires we can't say. Fire him, fire is there. Fire him we say in English. He was fired from the job. But a verbal form, I don't know whether you use it is fire it. For human beings we use fire him. Fire him means remove him from the job. So dahati iti, that is one interpretation. Hiranyaretaha visarga. Reta shabda, sakaranta pullinga shabda. Hiranyam retaha. Hiranyam reto yasya saha. The one whose seed is golden. That means fire has all gold color, na? When fire burns, you find goldish color there. So that is supposed to be its seed. Hiranyam retaha yasya saha hiranyaretaha. Sakaranta napamsakali. Pullinga this is. Pullinga. Like tejas shabda. Teja, tejasau, tejasaha. Hiranyaretas is sakaranta pullinga. Retas may be napumsaka as you said. Hutabuk. Next is hutabuk. Very simple. Hutam, dattam, ahutam, bhunakti. Eats what is given in oblation. When you put Indraya Swaha, so that ahuti is eaten by the fire, Agni. So hutam bhunkte or bhunakti, whatever it is. Bhuja paranabhyavaharayo, to eat, to enjoy it. Bhunakti, bhunkte is also there. So bhunkte, this is from the seventh conjugation. One who eats the oblation. Hutam, ahutam, bhunkte. Iti hutabuk. Hutabuk, this is jakaranta. Hutabuk, hutabujau, hutabujaha. Buk, bujau, bujaha. Buk, bujau, bujaha. Bujam, bujau, bujaha. Buja, hutabuja. So this is jakaranta pullinga shabda. Then this, yeah. But before that, this dhatu, bhuja, then bhuja, parna abhyavaharayo. Abhyavahara means eating. So bhunakti, bhunktaha, bhunjanti. Bhunakti, bhunktaha, bhunjanti. Third person. Just recalling. Bhunakti. Then if you take the Atmanepadi form of it, bhunkte, bhunjate, bhunjate. Bhunkte, bhunjate, bhunjate. Not bhunjante, bhunjate. Like in Gita Sloka you get Yagnasishta ashinas santo muchyante sarvakil vishaihi. Yagnasishta ashinaha santaha muchyante sarvakil vishaihi papai. Bhunjate tu agham papam ye pachanti atmakaranat. Bhunjate, this what is it? Bhunkte, bhunjate, bhunjate. Bhunkte, bhunjate, bhunjate. Bhunjate. So this is bhunkte dhatu, bhujadata. Havyavahana. Next Srinivas. Havyavahana. You can understand that. Havyam, again ahutim vahati iti. You know, fire is supposed to be in the Rigveda a postman between human beings and gods. हव्यवाहनः हव्यं वहति कुत्र वहति देवान् प्रति वहति देवान् प्रति हव्यम आहुतिम वहति कः वहति अग्निः वहति therefore अग्निमीडे पुरोहितम यज्ञस्य देवं ऋत्विजं होतारं रत्नदातारं so that is how Agni is praised here. Agni is the direct god on the earth through whom we reach the other gods. Havyam vahati kutra vahati tan prati devan prati. So he leads, takes the oblations to the gods. Therefore it's called Havya Vahana. Wonderful derivation that is. So these things I will write now. First slot. Explain and write. That is better I think.
Yes, sir.
Where is my blue pen? So many blues are. Page 257. Oh, not good. Is it good?
Yeah. Use this also.
Sarvapratham dahana. This is good. Dahana. Dahati iti. Daha iti dhatuhu भस्मीकरणे. So we translated it, the one who burns. The one who burns. I think I did not write the translation. Hiranyaretaha. Hiranyam Retah Retas Reto Yasya Saha Bahuri Samas.
Reto.
Yeah, Reto. Oh. The one whose seed is gold. Seed here means flame. We have to take as flame, Srinivas. Uta book next. This is Jakaranta Shabda. Hutam bhunte. Very simple derivation. Hutam bhunte. Yes. Bhunakti. This is Bhuja Dhatu. Which is Palana. Palana Bhyavahara. Abhyavahara means eating. Abhyavaharayoho. To eat, to rule also it means. Palana is there. To rule, to eat. So I recall Bhunakti, Bhungtaha, Bhunjanti. Please look into Dhatu Manjari for the derivation of this Dhatu. Last one, Avyavahana. Avyavahana. Avyam vahati iti. Vaha dhatu, that is simple. Bhuvadigana. Vaha prapane to carry, one who carries the oblation. Vaha prapane prathamagana. So these are some of the names of the fire. एतानि पर्यायपदानि चत्वारि पर्यायपदानि अग्नेः. Then तुषारः is coming, Srinivas.
तुषारस्तुहिनं हिमं.
तुषारस्तुहिनं हिमं. तुहिनं. First तुषार. अकारान्त पुल्लिंग. तप्तं तोषयति इति. तप्तं तोषयति इति तुषार. Beautiful. तुष तुष्टौ धातुः. तुष तुष्टौ. This is fourth class, to be pleased or to be satisfied. So what is the meaning? Taptam toshayati, one who pleases the person who is suffering. Taptam, who is heated. Literally means one who is heated, who is suffering. Taptam purusham toshayati. If you are very, suffering, or if your body is heated up, what will the snow do? Snow will cool you down. Taptam toshayati. Getting?
Yeah.
Taptam toshayati. It pleases the suffering one, or the scorching person who is scorched in sun, or who is heated up because of some agony, who is agonized. Dukkitam purusham api toshayati. So that is how tushara is explained. Tusha, tushtau. Tushyati also.
Then himam.
Next is akarantana. Tuhinam shabda. Tuhinam. Tohati. Ardayati. Padmamiti. It torments. Tohati means, tuhinam is explained. Tohati. Tuhir ardane vadecha. Tuhir ardane vadecha. Tohati ardayati padmamiti. It torments, snow torments, spoils the padma, lotus. It troubles the lotus. Tohati ardayati padmamiti. It troubles, if there is heavy snowfall, what happens to the padma, lotuses? They destroy. They get destroyed. So that is how it is called tuhinam. Tohati ardayati padmam nashayati. It destroys the beauty of the lotus flowers. So it is called tuhinam. Tuhir ardane vadhecha. Tuhir ardane vadhecha. It destroys. If there is excessive, like in our Jammu Kashmir or anywhere in the world where heavy snowfall takes place, the plant life is completely gone. So that is how this tuhina is explained. Then himam. Next. Himam is akaranta napumsaka. Himam hime himani. Hanti tapamiti. Himam hanti tapam. It removes the heat. So hima has, it is good to some, bad to some. Bad to the padma, if it is excessive. Good to the suffering people. Like himam and tushara are coming together. Tushara taptam toshayati. It pleases the person suffering. Hanti tapamiti. Here it removes the tapa, heat. Like a person suffering from high fever, he must be given that cool bath. So hana, hanti, hana dhatu, himsa, gatyo, to kill, to hurt, etc. Second conjugation, hanti, hataha, gnanti, gnanti. Hanti, hataha, gnanti. So these three things we'll have to write. Oh, this is kicking. Is the sound okay? Check the sound. Because I am stamping on the card. What is coming? Tusharaha. तप्तं तोषयति इति. This is toshayati is in Nijanta, Srinivas, causal usage. Taptam toshayati. Tusha dhatu is tush tushyati. We have studied, I think. Truptau, tushtau. Tusha tushtau. This is fourth P as we write in our notes. To be satisfied, pleased. Satisfied also. Tuhinam. This is explained as tohati. Tohati nama ardayati. Padmamiti. What is the dhatu here? To hear. To hear ardane. Vadhecha. This is first class Parasmai Pada. Tohati, tohataha, tohanti. Anga Vashayam to torment, to kill. Snow kills, no doubt, some himam. Hanti. Kam hanti? Tapamiti. Hana dhatu is second class. Imsagatyoho. Hana imsagatyoho. To kill, to be, to hurt. Etc. Anti hataha ghnanti. Please look into the Dhatu Manjari. This is also important. Then we move to Indraha. Indraha, I think it came earlier also. Indra Shabda. Indati iti. Indati iti. Inda idi Paramaishwari, one who lords over. Indra is a lord. Indati iti. Idi Paramaishwari, to have great powers. That is so Indra is that. Indati. Indati is latlakara. Indati, indataha, indanti. This is Bhuvadigana. Marutvan. Next, Marutvan. This is Maruto, Marut Shabda, Takaranta. Marutau, Marutaha. Marutaha Deva Asya Santiti. Marutaha Deva Asya Santiti. Marutaha. Deva. That is, Maruts are its gods. So is Marutvan. Santi iti. Marutaha santi asya. Another interpretation. Marutaha santi asya. The wind gods are with him. So that is Matup, etc. So Marutvan. Indra is also called by this name, Marutvan. Because of Marut Gana is with him. Maruto Deva Asya Santi iti. Marutaha santi asya Indrasya iti. Then coming up, Srinivas, Maghavan, that is Maghava. Mahyate, Mahapujayam. Mahyate, Pujyate iti Maghavan, Maghava. Mahapujayam is there, which means to worship, to honor, to respect. He is highly respected, worshipped God. Indra, in Vedic culture, Srinivas, in Veda, Rigveda, Indra's prashasti is more everywhere. So, Mahyate, Pujyate, Sarvaihi Anya Devatavihi, Anya Devaihi, Anyavihi Devatavihi, whatever is. So, Mahapujayam is worshipped there.
During the puja also we invoke Indra and
Varuna. So, no, in later time, Pauranic time, the importance of Indra is gone down. Where is my list? Oh, no problem. Indra. Indati. Iti, understood? You want to take? Indati iti. What is the Idi? Idi is not Telugu Idi. Paramaishwariye. This is Bhuvadigana and Parasmayapada. Indati is Vartamana Kala. To have great powers. Marutvan. Maruto Deva Asya. Santi iti. One interpretation is Marutaha Santi Asya. With Matup, of course. Marutvan. One more is there, Maghava. Last one. Mahyate, Pujyate. Maha dhatu is Maha Pujayam. This is Prathama Gana and also Dashama Gana, Srinivas. First and 10th class. Mahati, Mahataha, Mahanti, Mahayati or Mahayati, Mahayate in Dashama Gana. Churadi Gana. Mahayati or Mahayate. You know, in Churadi Gana it is both Uvayapadi. Mahati is Bhuadi Gana. Mahati, Mahata, Mahanti. Mahyate is Karmani Prayoga. Mahyate Pujyati. Mahapujayam Mahati, Mahayati, Mahayate. So, evam asmakam koshaha prachalati. Seshaha santi kulisham sasti. Pakshaha asti. Kimanyat? Yeah, there are some more words are there. Vidaujaha is there. I think we will take up that next class. Shubham Bhuyat.